The secret of purple eggplant skin. Facts that will stop you from peeling it anymore. We've all chopped it up, added it to curries, stir-fries, or grilled dishes. But have we ever really looked at it? Have we ever wondered what the secret behind its metallic purple skin is? Take a closer look. There are lines like an ancient yellow map. There's a sheen that's like a luxurious varnish. And almost every recipe first tells us to peel the skin. Today, we're going to turn things around. We're going to enter the microscopic world of eggplant skin. Become a detective and uncover its scientific mysteries, its superpowers, and why throwing it away might be your biggest kitchen mistake. Get ready to see this vegetable with a whole new eye. Look, there are many yellow shapes that are like dots and sometimes lines and sometimes islands, and there are white and purple colors, which are the color of the eggplant skin itself. Let's start with the first clue. These yellow or pale streaks. They look dry, like tiny cracks in paint. Is this a sign of disease, a pest infestation, or is this a sign that the eggplant is old? The answer is far more poetic. This is the eggplant's weather diary. Imagine, during the day, its skin shrinks in the heat. At night, it expands again. It's this process of push and pull that sometimes leaves these traces. It's a sign of resilience, not weakness, like the rings on a tree. These lines tell the story of its journey, from the garden to your hands. Some eggplant varieties even have this pattern intentionally as a sign of their genetic identity. So, unless the line is dark brown and soft, it's not damage. It's natural history imprinted on the skin. So, what about the stunning purple color and the sports car-like shine? This isn't an accident of nature. It's a sophisticated evolutionary technology. That deep purple color comes from a magical compound called antioxidant, the same powerful antioxidant. The same powerful antioxidant that gives blueberries and red grapes their color. But eggplants have something special, a type of anthocyanin called dazzling, and that shiny coating, it's their natural raincoat and armor. This super thin waxy layer, called the cuticle, protects them from excess water evaporation and fungal or bacterial attack. So, that shine is a sign of freshness and health. When you hold a shiny eggplant, you're holding a perfect fortress. Now, this is the truth we often overlook. When we peel the skin, what are we actually throwing away? We're throwing away the strongest fortress of nutrients. Eggplant skin is a fantastic source of concentrated fiber for healthy digestion. This is the headquarters of dazzling, an antioxidant that research shows can protect brain cells from damage and fight inflammation in our bodies. We also lose vitamins like vitamin K, which is essential for bone health, and minerals like manganese. Imagine, by eating the peel, you're not just eating vegetables. You're drinking a protective potion for your cells, giving your body an extra shield against everyday stress. That's a benefit you might have been putting in the compost bin. Wait a minute, but the skin is tough, isn't it? Or if you fry it, it'll get soft, right? Let's think about cooking again. If you boil or steam it, you're a careful scientist. You keep nearly all of that antioxidant army intact, with minimal calories. The result, a skin that's incredibly tender, almost melt in your mouth. If you grill or bake it, you're a true flavor artist. High heat caramelizes its natural sugars, giving it a smoky flavor and a chewy, mushroom-like texture. The nutrients are retained quite well, so the choice is yours. Before we conclude this microscope observation, let's take a moment to look at the eggplant itself. For it, this skin isn't a matter of taste or nutrition for humans. It's a matter of life and death. This skin is a multitasking life support system. It acts as a physical shield against insect bites and scratches. Its waxy coating acts as a raincoat, preventing it from drying out. So, what's the conclusion of our investigation today? The purple eggplant skin is edible, highly nutritious, and full of stories. Its stripes are history. Its shine is technology. Its color is medicine. If you're fascinated by the little secrets around us, click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Every week, we'll play detective together to uncover the hidden science behind your everyday foods. See you on the next adventure.